Hi everyone, I'm Vaishnavi from the product marketing team here at Signeasy. First of all, a very happy new year to everyone. We closed 2025 on a very high note, and I wanted to walk you through everything that we've built over the year and how these updates make managing contracts easier for you and your team. So let's get started. First up is bulk send. It was one of the biggest productivity wins we introduced early in 2025. If you're sending the same document to a large group of people, it can be policy updates, consent forms, and NDAs. Doing that one by one can be time consuming and not to mention very manual. So with bulk send, you can send out these documents for signature to multiple people in one go, and each signer receives their own copy. Next up is approval workflows. We introduced approval workflows to simplify internal sign-offs. Documents can now be reviewed and approved internally before they even reach an external signer. You can even set the approval order so that the document moves to the next stakeholder sequentially. If it's declined, the process stops and you're notified right away. We're also very proud to be compliant on the 21 CFR Part 11 compliance standards. It was one of our biggest steps in compliance in 2025. For teams that work in life sciences, pharma, and biotech, compliance is very critical, and we get that. So Signeasy now supports 21 CFR Part 11 with built-in features like tamper evidence seals, detailed audit trails, identity verification, and more. This makes regulatory compliance part of signing workflow instead of it being an extra hurdle. Another change we made is making the Signeasy Trust Seal feature available on all of our plans. This setting is enabled by default for each document now, and admins can make it an account level setting too, so that all signature requests have the Trust Seal by default. This gives recipients the confidence that the document is authentic and makes it easy to verify them without any extra steps involved on their end. In 2025, we also made it easier for you to reach signers faster with signature requests sent via SMSs, because they are often cited to have around 98% open rates and are seen much quicker compared to emails. So now you can send documents directly to a signer's phone via text and trust that signatures happen quickly. When it comes to security features, this 2025, we added the two-factor authentication that helps you verify users when they log into their Signeasy accounts. This adds an added security layer for account holders and anyone with file access within your organization. This year, we also added a bunch of features when it comes to security and privacy settings. So we've added the ability to hide signer details. For sensitive agreements, we know that signer privacy matters. So with the ability to mask signer details, personal information stays hidden in multi-party workflows, so recipients don't actually see or contact each other. You can enable this in your settings, and once done, the signature request will hide personal information like you can see here. And we find that this will be especially useful for confidential and sensitive agreements that you're going to be sending out. This is another big one. So for hiring teams, we launched our Teamtailor integration. HR teams can now send pre-filled offer letters in seconds using Signeasy's reusable templates directly from their Teamtailor dashboard. With this integration, you can manage multi-signer workflows and monitor progress in real time without switching tools. So this reduces admin work for you and speeds up offer letter acceptances. Another important integration was the ability to use Signeasy in Google Sheets. We're proud to say that Signeasy is the only e-signature platform to natively support Google Sheets. This was a big milestone for us, and it was built for teams that live in spreadsheets. And Signeasy now lets you send documents directly from Google Sheets. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is select a row and automatically it fills a template using that data and sends it for signature in just a few clicks. Next up is custom fields. A common request we heard was around reducing repetitive setup work. That led us to bringing in custom fields. We know that some fields are subjective to your organization and your line of work. So instead of recreating the same fields every time, we help you build custom fields like department, employee ID, or role, so you can save them once and thereon simply drag and drop and use them. Another big addition in 2025 was the ability to save signature drafts. Signing doesn't always happen in one sitting, and we wanted the experience to reflect that. With the ability to auto-save signer drafts, signers can now stop midway, come back later without losing any progress, and everything stays exactly the way they left it, which helps improve completion rates and reduces the frustration of starting again from scratch. We introduced contract types in 2025 to help you keep your agreements organized. You can categorize your documents using predefined tags that constitute a contract type, making it easier for you to search, filter, and manage your documents at scale. This also sets a very strong foundation for smarter insights from your agreement data in the future updates that we're going to be bringing in. Last, but one of the most important additions that we brought in was the ability to add custom expiry dates. We wanted to bring in the flexibility to your contract management workflows so that you can add custom expiry dates. Instead of preset timelines, you can now define exactly when a signature request should expire. This is especially useful for time-sensitive documents like job offers or proposals. Thank you for sticking around and checking out all the updates that we brought in 2025. As we head into 2026, I just want to say thank you. Last year was packed with progress, and every update that you saw today was shaped by valuable customer feedback and real-world use cases that you discussed with us. We're excited for what's coming in 2026, and my team at Signeasy looks forward to simplifying the world of contracts for you. Thank you for being a part of this amazing journey.